Fifth grade Shurley method, page 47. We're going to do exercise 1, so this will be part 1 of the recording. So in exercise 1, today it says we're going to have mixed patterns. So that means that they are all not going to be what? Pattern 4. They could be a pattern 1, a pattern 2, a pattern 3, or a pattern 4, right? Okay. Let's see. I'm going to have you guys do number 3 for homework. And so we'll do 1, 2, and 4. Okay? And that one actually is a subject, noun, linking, verb, predicate, noun, pattern, 4, check. Okay? So that one is what the pattern is for that. All right, number 1, the farmer's meat is carried to the city by a train. Okay, so what is carried to the city by a train? Wheat. Subject, noun. What is being said about the wheat? Is what? Is carried. So carried is the verb, is the helping verb. Okay, 2. Preposition. To what? The. By. By what? Whose wheat? The. Okay, pattern. Subject, now what? Verb. Pattern 1, check. Okay, because it was a simple one, right? So, to the city. By train. Period. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is and wheat, because it's between the noun and the verb, right? Okay, is there an adverb exception? No, this is the natural or inverted order. Natural. Okay. He made a soft impression in the snow with his foot. So, who made a soft impression in the snow with his foot? He. What is being said about he? Made what? Impression. Is impression the same thing as he? No. So it is a direct object. Made becomes the verb transitive. What kind of impression? Soft. Okay.
Article. Preposition.
In what?
No. Object of the preposition.
The.
Article adjective.
With.
Preposition.
With what?
Foot. Object of the preposition.
With whose foot?
His.
Because that's the pronoun adjective. Pattern. Subject, noun, verb, transitive, direct, object, pattern, to, check. Okay, in the snow. With his foot. Period. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? Is it natural or inverted order? Okay, like I said, you guys are going to do number 3 for homework. He built us a pool in our backyard. Who built us a pool in the backyard? Oh, guys, this isn't a subject noun. This is a subject pronoun. Okay, so he is the subject pronoun, right, guys? What is being said about he? Built. Verb. Built what? Pool. Okay, so that is pool the same thing as he? No, so it's the direct object. Built becomes the verb transitive. Built a pool for whom? No, it's the indirect object. A article adjective. In what? Whose backyard? That's a pronoun adjective. So this one is a subject, noun, verb, transitive, indirect object, direct object, pattern, 3, check. Okay. Let's see. In our backyard. Period.
Statement declared extended.
Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is this in the natural or inverted order? Okay. All right, so number 3 for homework.